Hello. That's an Hello. That's good. That's good. Hello. That's good. Hello. 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 So my voice is good now. Now my voice is good. Very good. Now I feel like it's good. Okay. Can I say louder? My voice is perfect. Okay. Okay. Full voice. Okay. Again. That's very nice, man. Now my voice is now my voice is better. Okay, this is that ceiling fan. Okay, I feel like this is that ceiling fan noise. Let me pick up something. Now my voice. Now my voice is better.
Check, check. Hello. Now my voice is okay. Okay, now it's okay. I say something in chat box, so I can understand. Voice is. I am audible to you properly. Okay, I feel like yeah. Now it's okay. Okay, now I got you. So so basically, nowadays I'm just integrating AI features into my existing code, and which is almost 65,000 lines of code. And nowadays it's very hard to maintain. So in this live session and last 3 days, I thought to show you how I organize and how I uh, like implement new features into existing code, because it's very hard to refactor. And so I build for a normal
Information, and that's why I thought
redefine and creating a unified execution flow so that my user input and my AI prompt can work together. And uh, for developer and founders, so which can help to uh, uh, organize their workflow as well as to uh, research and break down the complex tasks into flowchart, mind maps. So it's kind of and document. So these two interface. AI native.
clarity. Now here we go.
Okay.
This plan, and I used to write down my
Then
my, my workflow as well, and this is the documenting about my architecture, because as I told you, every single day and every time I just implement new things, and that's why I need to know how my code works. So if you look at, I have the entire like execution.
and how they communicate. So yeah, you need all the stuff. As I told you, this project not anymore a toy project. So it's a very big project. So if you work with any MNC or big company, so pretty much you can see this type of code base as well. So in my code base, I follow the runtime centric approach, where my first is execution yeah, execution first concern, not implementation. Yeah, so you guys watch a lot of tutorial from YouTube. They just focus on fast implementation, which means make it happen fast. But if you are working on a big project, which means not only you are working, but also you have to work with your team member. So you have to separate each layer, and you have to make uh, deterministic and independent, so that you can test out. Yeah, so you can unit test on particular layer, particular flow, right? And you have to follow the my code base. I try to make each layer independently, and I also couple coupling. Then that means it's very hard to scale. Nowadays, that's the thing.
the time. And so like from what um, day one to now 115 days, I learned, okay, so my workflow, I just I understand, then I iterate, understand, iterate, refactor, understand, iterate, refactor. So like this, I end up with 100 15 days. So today is 150 days, and now I just organize like senior developer. So that this document is very helpful if you are building something production ready, because you don't know what's going to happen. And
To runtime state, right? And that's I have. If you look at how I also organize, and this is the code base, my entire code base. Like, yeah. So and the fun fact is, if you are work with AI, okay, particularly any chatbot, so it's very hard to uh, like ask AI to fix your bugs without providing context. But nowadays, a lot of IDE provide allow to work with agent. But agent is very expensive. If you run a particular task on your code base, and it takes almost 1 to 3 million token, that's very expensive, right? And second part is, if you don't know your code base, AI can provide you the answer, even that answer doesn't fit, because AI doesn't know your context.
first I try to give context, what my architecture rules, and, and current situation where I am, and what I want. So I have to provide all the progress, and the thing is, I want make to AI self-sufficient, deterministic, and reliable. Because AI, large language model, is not reliable at all. So that's why if you look at my code, so yeah, so this is, even though I organize my uh, like ChatGPT project particular task. So this is the only prompt. This is the idea for my video. Like nowadays, I thought I could upload. So yeah, and then this is the code review and fix, and this is the reset part. Right, and each project I upload the first. Yeah,
At least each chat session can understand what I'm building. So I think this code doesn't exist anymore. I have to upload my new one. Okay, so here you go. Folder structure. And as I told you today, my plan is okay. So let's okay. So this chat session understand this chat session understand the context. But if I shift from here to let's start work. So today, what I'm so today what I'll do, I'll start the first chat because I also observe ChatGPT session. If you chat a lot in one particular chat session, then somehow it hangs your laptop. I don't know because my graphic is not high because I have it's kind of like 4 years like years ago laptop, so that's create a lot of issue. That's why today I start new session for my code review and research. So in this research part, I like if I don't know that particular concept or architecture, and here I will chat it. So today uh, I just yeah, I want to make my downstream workflow version 3. So now my upstream is version 3, but downstream is not. So this is my full execution flow.
So far, this execution flow is happening too, but my downstream is now still happen too. Okay, okay. Sometimes ChatGPT dictation doesn't work. So this is from my version 2 architecture, and which is I thought it's a upstream, and now I have fixed this that from the runtime state to UI rendering. Now this part is still follow my version 2. So now I want to refactor my
Okay, I think now my chat GPT dictation doesn't work. I don't know why. Sometimes it doesn't. So what I do, do I chat like do I type or what? This typing takes a lot of time, and I don't waste my any time in it. That's why I try to talk to with any mic like dictation. Let's try another one. This is my upper stream flow, which is from version 3, and that's perfect. dictation. Oh, it's not working. Now it's work, but it doesn't dictate what I'm saying. So it's randomly phrase it, but I'm not. I don't say these things. I didn't say this. I say simple. Now, as I have fixed my upper stream from version 2 to version 3, now I want to fix my downstream, which is still follow the version 2. Here you go. Now, as you understand my new rules, I want to audit my ownership boundaries from the live blocks to UI renderer. So tell me which file first I want to look at so you can understand the context. Okay. Still it takes time. I don't know what's happened, what's going on. Okay, it works. And now you can look at my entire.
So you can yeah, just audit the ownership. Yeah, my application is good. I already fixed it. Just tell me the entire downstream part. Oh my god, man, the pressure. Oh, the dictation. Okay,
But typing is very boring and time consuming, and dictation is very helpful. But sometimes it doesn't work. So okay, I think internet is not working or what? Well, because it takes time to upload just. Oh, as I told you guys from my previous chat, okay, so this type of this file I also gave chat session. So this file already fixed, but now you can understand how chat session try to understand, right? So that's why it ask you to give from a root point. So I have to give first updated. Update is source. Architectures, tools. Person, RP. Mm. Where is the error, man? ChatGPT that doesn't work. I don't know why. That's why I think everywhere uh, it's falling. Let's try again. New version, C architecture rules. Here you go. Oh my god, man, why did it take time? I don't know. It's not supposed to take time. What the hell? My internet is really not good. Like, where is that? Okay, anyways, now I think, but so this type of file I have to provide here. Now some part I have already fixed toward version 3. In the inside Bootstrap, I also consuming version 2. Now I think I have to fix my projection layer, and then which is projection renderer, and then fix my Houston store, make it uh, projection cache. But now Houston act as a source of truth. That's not true. So as you know my new rules, just try to fix toward it. Not tell me which file and which code base you have to fix first. And you can look at my entire code base. That code base exists. Hey, I want you to just chat something about the way, because this session it's all about showing you how I use uh, any chat session, and how I implement, organize, and research. This way I work. But I work almost 14 to 15 hours a day. That's a huge. But ChatGPT takes time. I don't know. Maybe my internet is very slow. Okay. Stand. Stand is to okay. Now I just try to give some context so you can actually understand. I think this entire part here I am consuming my version 2 concept. So now tell me, based on my execution flow, I have fixed my upper stream. Now how can I fix my downstream? So yeah, how can I delete this file or remove this file or change this file, and where I have add my uh, I think it takes time. My internet is not. Now you can look at how I struggle because of the internet speed and my laptop uh, capacity. It's very old and sometimes it's create a lot of what I say, but you know what I'm talking about. Coding is already the frustration things, and I still this type of situation create more. ChatGPT create or some let me ChatGPT create this type of issue because my net speed is pretty fine. Well, now you can see, I think chat GPT is creating issue for uploading, but now Queen can process it now, answer it. So yeah, chat GPT issue, making issue. Guys, I have to stop my live stream because now something is making issue because I cannot